loved the ground she walked upon, and the air she would softly breathe, the feathered touch of her gentle lips that only a fool would leave, that only a fool would leave. But we tasted forbidden wine, though I loved the ground she walked upon. I could never have made her mine. The swallows fly all along the canal, and I watch with a heavy heart. In dizzy spins they dive and wheel, touch wings and then depart, touch wings and then depart, as the summer fades away. Though I love the ground she walked upon, I knew that I could not stay. The swallow is a summer's child, and she flies before the cold. Though I love the ground she walked upon, she was not mine to hold. She was not mine to hold, but it was easy to pretend. Though I love the ground she walked upon, a summer has to end. A summer has to